Hello everyone, this video is about disabling of the laptop's built-in keyboard, especially in case of auto typing, keyboard glitch or wrong typing. I request all of you to please subscribe my channel before starting the procedure. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमने सर्च में एडिट ग्रुप पॉलिसी टाइप करके ओपन करना है। ग्रुप पॉलिसी एडिटर के बाद हमने डिवाइस मैनेजर को भी ओपन कर देना है so that the switching between the two panels would be easy for us. In Group Policy Editor, under Computer Configuration, select Administrative Template, further select System, then Device Installation, and then Device Installation Restrictions. Some videos on YouTube recommend disabling this option, which ultimately results in getting this kind of notification when you try to connect flash drive, USB, or any external device. So now let's get back to the Group Policy Editor. Click on Prevent Installation of device that match any of these device IDs. Select Enabled and click on Show. इस blank space में हम अपने built-in keyboard की ID को paste करेंगे. For that, now we will switch to the device manager. Go to the keyboards. Here we will have the built-in keyboard, which is standard PS2 keyboard. Right click on it and select properties. Go to the details. Select hardware ID from the drop down menu under property. हमें इन IDs को one by one show content में paste करना है. After copying all the hardware IDs, close all the extra windows and click on the apply button. Now open the device manager. Right click on the standard PS2 keyboard. Select uninstall device. Select uninstall. हमारे पास सिस्टम सेटिंग्स चेंज का ऑप्शन आएगा जिसमें हमें लैपटॉप को रीस्टार्ट करने का कहा जाएगा. Click on the yes button and wait till your laptop gets restart. Now you will see that your built-in keyboard would be disabled successfully. You can check it by pressing the keys and the touchpad. If you have a screen touch laptop, then you can easily log into the PC with the help of on-screen keyboard. Or else you will need to connect an external keyboard and a mouse. So this was the whole procedure. I hope it might have helped you. In addition to all this, I'll give you a friendly advice कि हमेशा अपने task bar पे on-screen keyboard ज़रूर रखा करें. Please like and subscribe my channel.